你好. Okay, this is the first my video clip. Today I would like to present you and review you about the short-term spoken Chinese. First of all, I would like to start from the first lesson. The first lesson that we already learned from last week. Okay, I will go to the first lesson. For the first lesson is 你好,你好. 你好 in Chinese means hello. Firstly, I would like to present you about the phonetics. We have to review for the finals first. Please accent follow me. I will start from the first row. Okay, let's start. A is A. O is O. Again, please. O. Next one. E is Again. Next one. ER is You have to twist up your tongue. Okay. Next one. We call E. I is E. Okay. Next one is also I, but when I follow Z, C, and S, and ZH, and SH, and also R, we put I after 7 characters. We have to accent I is so this I is next one is also same. We accent like Z and I we call Z. We have to bite your teeth first and accent Z. And for next one ZHI. We will accent like we have to twist up your tongue. Twist up your tongue, and your teeth cannot bite together, cannot close together. You have to separate your teeth, upper teeth and lower teeth. You have to separate, and there is the gap between upper teeth and lower teeth, and then accent like okay. Try again this one. Okay. For Z and I we call you have to bite your teeth and accent out this one is ZI. Okay, next one U we will accent like U. Again please, U. And next one U and dot on the U. We will accent like E because I will accent like I in Chinese is E, and then you have to change your mouth like like this. You can see my mouth like this, and accent in I E. Okay, this one U dot we call E. Okay, next one to the second row. Start from A and I. A is R, I is E, R plus E is I. Okay, again please. A and I is I. And next one E and I. For E, the sound like but I, the sound like E. Plus E is okay. Okay. Again, please. E and I is A, A, A. Okay. Go to the next one. A and O. A and O. A is R and O is O. R and O is ow, ow, ow. Again, please. A and O is R and O. R and O is ow, ow. Okay. Next one. O and U. O is O. U is U. O is O plus U is O, O, O. Okay. Next one. A N is very easy. It's un. It's quite different from English. English maybe we can say and, right? And, but in Chinese we have to say like and you have to separate your mouth, open your mouth. And, next one, E and N. E is E N is N. Okay, it's very easy, right? Next one is A and NG. A and NG we call every time that you see A, you have to open your mouth. And the next one, E and G. E and G. E is for NG mixed together is Again, please. E and G is Okay, let's do the next one. O and G. O and G. O is O or all. And NG we mix together is on. Okay. Let's go to the third row. Start from I and A. I we accent like E, right? E. For A, we call R. E mixed with R, to be ER, like this. Okay. I and A again. I and A is ER. Okay. Next one. I and E. I and E. I is E. But for E, when we put E after other finals, we have to change the sound. For the first one, we accent E like but for E after other finals, we have to change the sound like A. So I and E. I is E, but E we will accent like A. E mixed with A is like this. Okay. Again, please. I and E is Okay. Let's do the next one. Next one is I, A, and O. I, A, and O. I is E, A is R, and O is also O. I, A, O, E, R, O. I is E, A is R, and O is O. Mix for three. E, R, and O. Like this. Okay. For the next one, I, O, and U. I, O, and U. And we will change to the short form like I and U. But normally, we can accent like for three sound of finals like E, O, U. I is E, O is O, U is U. Eo, 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 like this. Okay. But if so, it's quite difficult for you. You can speak out right I and U. I is E, U is U. E and U is U. U is also similar, quite similar. Yo or yo. Okay, but I think for the Western country, Western foreigner maybe cannot separate about the first one IOU, yo, and IU is you, right? Yo or yo. Okay, next one I is E, but AN is an. We will mix together. I is E, AN is an, E and an is Yan. Again, please. IAN is Yan. Okay, we will go to the next one. IN is very easy. It's quite same as English. IN is in. Okay, let's do the next one. I is E, ANG is an, E mixed with an is yang, is yang, like this. Okay. Next one, ING. It's also same as English. The sound of ING is ing. Okay, it's quite easy, right? We will go to the next one. I is E, ONG is on, E and on mixed together is yong, like this. Okay, finish for the third row. We will go to the fourth row. Okay, U, again please, U is U and A is R, U and R is wa. Is it okay? Again please, U and A is wa. Okay, go to the next one. U is U and O is O. U and O is O. Is it okay? Again, please. U and O is O. Okay. Let's do the next one. UAI. U is U. A is R. I is E. U, R, E. Mixed together like Y. Okay. UAI again, please. UAI is Y, like this. Go to the next one. It's also same like the upper. U is U, I is I is E. For the third sound, we can accent like and if it's the short form for way, you can say just U and I. U is U, I is E. U and E is way. But actually you have to accent like E is more standard. Again, please. UI, we can say it like way. Okay. Next one. U and AN. U is U, AN is an. U and an is one. Okay. Let's go to the next one. U is U, en is en, u and en is one, but it is a short form. Like un, you can say like un. So if you want to speak out more standard, you can say one, but for the short form is one or un is okay. Also say. Next one, u is u, ang is ang, u and ang, wang. Again, please. U-A-N-G. Wang. Okay, let's do the next one. U is u. E-N-G is eng. U and eng. U-eng is wang. Okay. Can you remember for this one for the 1, 2, 3, 4 rows? We will go to the last row. Last row is the 5th row. You and dot above you. We say like you. Can you remember? So you mix with e after other finals. E after final or follow other finals. We have to say like a. So this one, u dot and a, we will call ue. Okay. Again, please, u dot and e. We will accent like ue. Okay. Go to the next one. U dot and an is an. U dot is u and an is an. U mixed with an is yuan. Like this. Okay. For the last one in the first finals is in. Again, please. U dot and n. We will call yun. Okay. That is for finals. We will go to the next part. Second part is initials. Please follow me for the first one. We will go like this direction from the left hand side to the right hand side. Start from B. For B in Chinese, we will say like 波. Okay. Next one, P, we will say 坡. Okay. P is p. So we have to accent quite similar. 坡. But for B, we have to focus on your lip. Your lip will tighter, a bit tight. 波 is B. Again, please. B is 波. Okay. But for P, we will close your lip not too tight, just a bit. More light, like 坡, relax. Okay, next one, M. M is more. M is m, right? So you have to accent m. In Chinese is more. Okay, let's go to the next one. Next one is F, right? F, we will accent in Chinese is 4. Okay. For the 4 characters, four initials, will use your lip and teeth for accent, for speak up. Okay, and for the next four initials, start from D. D is accent like the. You have to use your top of your tongue touch after your teeth, behind the upper teeth, like your tongue like this. For the next one, T is quite easy. T is t. Next one, N is n. In Chinese is n. And the last one for this test is L. L is l. Not too difficult, right? For the next part, we will start from G. G is g. For Chinese, we will call g. Okay. Next one, K. K is k. Okay. Next one, H. H is h. Okay, we will repeat again. Start from B. More. For the Okay, we will start to the third row in the second part of this. For J, right? J and Q and S. The sound quite similar. J. For J, we have to make your lips and teeth like this. Outside is your lip. Your lip is open. And the inner is your teeth. Your teeth cannot close together or touch together. You have to separate your upper teeth and lower teeth and your tongue to get down. Okay, more flat. Flat is better. Okay, for J, we will call G in Chinese. Again, please. J is G. Okay, G. Next one, Q. For Q is quite different from English. Q we will call she. When you want to accent Q in Chinese, you have to compare with SHE. We will call she like this. Okay. For the last one in this row is X. X we will call she. You have to focus on your teeth, your lip, your tongue position. Okay. For the next one, the sound quite similar for this row. For the third row, for Z, the sound similar to J, but the different thing is your teeth and your tongue and your mouth position, especially your teeth. For this role, your mouth, okay, it's the same. Your mouth, your lips, and your teeth, but for your teeth will close together. No any gap. So when you accent, your tongue also flat. When you speak out in this initial, you have to say, and your air in your mouth will flow like this. Okay, so the air through out from your teeth. So the sound like away like this. For the first one, Z, we will accent like z, z, z. Okay, Z is z. Again, please. For the next one, C we will accent like s. Okay, you have to accent like ch, but you have to close your teeth, put together, no any gap. Okay, like this. Okay, start to the next one. Next one is S. It's very easy. S is also S, but your teeth position all the same. We will accent like s. Okay, for the last row, ZH, the different thing is your lip. Okay, your teeth also same from this row. It's mean that your teeth, upper teeth and lower teeth cannot close together. There are a big gap between upper teeth and lower teeth gap. Okay, so the air in your mouth can flow. It's very easy. Also, your tongue have to twist up like this. Okay, for the air in your mouth can flow like this. Okay, for the first row, we can accent like the second line. For the 1, 2, 3, 4. First row, fourth row. Okay, so we have to accent like your teeth. Don't forget, your teeth cannot close together, but your tongue have to twist up. Z and H is zh. Okay. For the next one, CH is sh. Okay. And the last one, SH. Oh no, it's not last one. SH, we will accent like sh. It's quite similar from CH, but your air power, your air that flow out from your mouth is more stronger. So it's to be sh. For this one is CH is sh, SH is sh. And the final one is R. R, we will accent like you. Okay, that's it. For the final, for the initial. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Total is 21 initial. Okay. This is the conclusion. Initial and final. We already accent on the both. And for the second one is tones. There are 4 tones in Chinese. For the first tone, the symbol like this. For this tone is very flat. And this is the similar of second tone. This one is the symbol of third tone. And the last one is the symbol of fourth tone. If you put it on the final, for example, R, you have 4 tones, right? For the first 1, 2, 3, 4, first tone, second tone, third tone, and fourth tone. We will have to put the symbol on a final. This one is fourth tone, first tone. The second one is second tone. The third one is third tone, and the fourth one is and fourth tone. Like this. When we accent the tone, start from A. A is R. The first tone is R. The second tone is R. Third tone is R. And fourth tone is R. Again, please. R. 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 Again, please. First tone. R. Second tone. R. Third tone. R. The fourth tone. R. Okay, again, please. R. 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 One more time. R. 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 If you can use your hand for separate, no separate. Instead of your tone, you will remember it's better. Again, please. For the first tone is R. Again, R. Second tone, R. R. Third tone, R. R. And fourth tone, R. One more time. R. 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 Okay. It's enough for the second part. For the third part, tone position. Normally, when we say about the initial, we will start from A. A is R. The second one is W. The third one is R, O, and and I is E, U is U, and U dot above is E. Again, please. R, O, E, U, E. Okay. When we want to put the tone position, you have to order like this. For example, if you want to write down pinyin on M and A, just only one initial, one final, right? One initial, one final. We just to mark the tone position on A. This one is first tone. We will say ma, ma. Okay. For the second example, we will write both H, A, O. And third tone, why we have to put the mark on the symbol on A? Because when we take a look from this, A come before or R come before O, so we have to mark on A or R. Okay, and the next one, Z, U, O. Z is Z, U is U, O is O. So we have to mark on O because the O is the second finals. And if there are another finals, for example, J, I, A, N, G, we can see I before A. But when you have to mark, we have to mark on A because A come before E, right? For example, third tone, like this, 讲. But we have another rules. If, for example, I, you, and you, I, we need to mark a tone mark on you and I. It's mean the last finals just only for I and you or you and I only. For example, D, U, I, fourth tone. It's called 对 or H, U, I, and fourth tone 回. In the opposite side, when we I and you, I before you, we have to mark on you also. The EU, we call 丢 first one, 丢. But H, oh no, XIU, X is she, I is E, U is U, CEU. First tone is 修. We have to mark on you, marks on you, marks on I, marks on I too. Example is also same. Mark on you and mark on I. Okay, for the fourth part, we will learn about tone changes. It's very easy when you see the third tone and third tone close together. For example, NI we will say 你. HAO we will call 好. 你 and 好. When you say out is quite strong sound and not comfortable for accent. So we will have to change the third sound on the first word. Change to be second sound. So firstly, we will accent the first word 你, right? When you change the first tone, we will say 你 is more comfortable, right? And the second words, we also same the third tone. So we have to say 你好, not 你好. We will use these rules in every word. And also another words, for example, HEN third tone. We will accent like 很 okay. MAN is man. For third tone is หมาน for the for two words we will normally we have to say 很 MAN หมาน it's quite difficult to accent, right? So we have to change by this rule. Third tone we have to change to be second and third tone, right? 很หมาน很หมาน like this is more comfortable for accent. And then for the second rule in tone changes, we will call the words that no any marks, no any symbol above, we will call neutral tones. Neutral tone. For this rule, when in front of the neutral tone is third tone. For the third tone and for the neutral tone, you have to speak lightly. So you have to read, follow these rules. If this one is third tone, for the neutral tone we have to speak and short sound and lighter. For example, NI is หนี MEN is มัน normally we can call มัน but after we use the second rules, we have to speak out like หนี มัน but if in front of the neutral tone is other tone, it's not third tone. For example, TA is ท่า MEN. This tone will be lower. The neutral tone is go down. For example, TA is ท่า MEN is มัน ท่ามัน but this one is หนีมัน but this one is ท่ามัน Another example, WO is 我 MEN 我 is the third tone also. So the neutral tone we have to say like มัน close together, mixed together is 我们 like this. Okay, we will go to the third one. We have to changes of tones of this one is 不 we have two sounds of 不 is 不 and 补 this one is 不 this one is 补 when we use 不 we will use 不 when 不 before the first tone, third tone, and third tone, second tone, and third tone. But we will call 补 when 补 before the first tone. For example, normally for this character, we will call 补 like this. Okay, you can see from this. Normally, BU and fourth tone, right? We will call 不 and this one 客气 客气. Ke also the first tone. So we have to change 不 to be 不 不. So this word we will call 不客气不客气 like this. 不客气 means don't means you're welcome. 不客气不客气. But the next rule is neutral tone. Neutral tone we already study from this, right? Neutral tone from the second part of fourth part. And this one, they separate to be the fifth part. For example, it's also same like I already told you. SIE and fourth tone we call 谢 means thanks. When we say two words, there is the neutral tone after the first word. Okay, we call 谢 and the neutral tone we call 谢. Why we call like this? Because in front of the words is if it's first tone, second tone, and fourth tone. First tone, second tone, and fourth tone. For the neutral tone will be go down. 谢谢 is lower tone. Lower tone and also short. 谢谢. But for another words, for example, HAO and third tone. But the rules of third tone, if in front of another words, another neutral tone, for the neutral tone we have to go up. This one, HAO is 好 in third tone, right? 好. For the neutral tone, we will go up and short. We call 的. For all of this one, we call 好的 like this. Okay, is enough for the rule or how to accent finals, initial, and final rule. First one is initial and final. Second rule is tones. And third one is tone position. And fourth one is tone changes. And the last one is neutral tone. See you on the next part. And I hope you can see this video clip and try to practice by yourself. See you next time.